Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you another CRKT knife, and it is my pleasure that I can share with you another excellent design from custom knife maker Flavio Ikoma. If you don't know Flavio is from Brazil. He's a really decorated custom knife maker. He's one of the inventors of the IKBS ball bearing system, and his designs are heavily inspired by nature. So the Carnufex or CRKT 5480 is another of those beautiful designs, and it was inspired by the discovery of the prehistoric reptile dinosaurs like crocodile creature, and therefore the name Carnufex. As you can see, we have a full stainless steel construction, so the blade and also the handle, and the inlays are reinforced fiber polyamide, which is plastic. The backspacer is also nicely textured for added grip. You can hear it, they will really nicely grip your hand. And the inlays are textured to resemble the hide or the skin of the reptile. This is what the production limitations are capable of doing, but his customs, they are really nicely hand sculpted titanium or G10 into this kind of texture. Okay, so this is a larger knife, and I will compare it with the previous model I got from the line, which is the fossil. So we have a overall length of 9 inches, which is 23 centimeters, so it's really a nice large folder. We have blend length of 3.97 inches or 10 centimeters. The thickness is 3.76 millimeters, which is 0.148 inches, and the close length is 5.1 inches or 12.9 centimeters. The blade steel, like on many CRKT budget offerings, is HCR13 MOE. I would love to see a little bit higher end knife, but then the price will also go up. And this is a no cheap knife in any regards of the world. So we have MSRP of $79.99. So this is no $25 knife. The handles are made of 2CR13, which is also a stainless steel. Nice reptile skin inserts for added grip. And the overall weight is 5.8 ounces or 164.4 grams. As I mentioned, Flavio is the brains behind the IKBS. As you can see, there is the logo, and if you are not know about the IKBS, then here is a short explanation. So the original IKBS design is designed around a pivot canal around the main pivot screw, and there are loose bearings suspended in some material, lubricant, and then there is no other component to it. So when you are cleaning it, you just have to keep in mind that they can fall out. But on this design, they're using a caged bearing variant, which you can see here, which means the ball bearings are inserted inside the washer. So really nice for maintenance, easy to disassemble and clean and reassemble. So the knife is made in China, of course, like probably all budget offerings from CRKT. The handles are nicely rounded, has a really pretty and good functional deep carry pocket clip. It's a nice logo there. And now I would like to show you the comparison between the large fossil and, if you like, also the small fossil. And here is the Spyderco Delica 4. So as you can see, really nice size if you are looking for a large folder. So this was the CRKT Carnufex. If you have any questions, leave comments down below. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.